Welcome, here I've got VIVO X60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we tap on it we get access to 4 other options we can manage. Now let's pick the settings button from the right to open the advanced camera settings. And here at the first position we have mirrored selfie, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on our camera mirror effect as we need. And as you can see we have also short info from the device that this can mirror left or right when the front camera is used for photography and video shooting. So of course to make it work we have to remember to change back camera to the front one by simply tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.